The TATE Orbital Automatic Welding Machine is a game changer in the world of precision welding. Ideal for industries like energy, aerospace, and manufacturing, this machine ensures impeccable welds with every operation. Thanks to its fully automated system, TATE reduces human error, speeds up the process, and ensures consistent, high-quality results across all pipe and tube applications. Its intuitive design makes it easy to use while optimizing efficiency and cutting production costs. Transform your welding process today. Subscribe to our channel or contact us at info@oktate.com for more details about our advanced welding solutions.